Introducing the XP-DT427B Bluetooth Thermal Label Printer, your versatile solution for efficient label printing. This video will show you unboxing and setup of the thermal printer. The XP-DT427B printer package comes with accessories such as a USB cable, power adapter, and a set of label spindles, printer CD driver, as well as a user manual. Let's peel off the sticker to take a look into the printer's interior. Do clean the rubber roller regularly to prevent printing issues. To start the installation, connect the power cord to the AC/DC adapter and connect it to the printer. And then, plug in the USB cable to your laptop or PC. And switch on the printer. To open the printer cover, pull both right and left yellow knobs backwards. Insert the label roll into the label spindles provided. Once set up, insert the label roll with the printing side upwards into the printer. And adjust accordingly to fit the label's width. For more inquiries, please contact our respective offices. Thank you.